We're growing this year with a bang, so we are trimming our trees and our rose bushes today. And I'm just going to show a little bit. When you are trimming your trees, you want to trim as closely to the trunk as possible. We're trimming off the lower branches so that the energy and the focus of the tree can shoot more upward. Pruning is the first step, then we will do our tree spraying to prevent buds and also fertilization of the trees in another video. With your trees, I try to trim all the little small branches, that way the energy of the tree focuses more upward. Now let's trim our roses. Some people like to wait till springtime, but as you can see, I already have new growth on a lot of my rose bushes, so I'm trying to go ahead and trim off the dead branches now. And I'm looking for any signs of that dark brown, which means that that branch is dead. Also, you can do the scratch test that I showed in a previous short. If you scratch the bark and you see a little bit of green, that means it's still alive. But any brown, crispy, dead pieces like that, I'm going to trim off. If you purchase new bare root roses, you do not have to prune your rose bush. So this is what it looks like, the bare root and now the new growth. And I can't wait to see the roses in bloom this year.